Hi guys, as you know, it's my destination English. As you know, I started teaching English in Brighton recently at the beginning of the summer. My contract runs till the end of the summer, so I should be doing some things down there, and I will be relaunching some new programs and projects and workshops and stuff online very shortly. So do keep up to date, as I will be sending out shortly and more consistently over the summer some information of how you can improve your English, how you can maintain your English if you've come over for the summer, particularly as a student, done a few weeks and then gone back to your own country. How do you continue practicing your English? This is a difficult problem actually for a lot of the students I've found. They're worried about not really having the opportunity to practice their English that they've learnt. So I'm going to put some programs together for September. In the meantime, do drop me any lines or anything you'd like me to cover, and anything you need help with, and I will make resources and materials available to you on my website, which you can download and just give yourself a guide for self-studying, because you know there is a lot of motivation necessary to self-study English. So if you're one of those people who is motivated but just kind of really needs a guide and a track and a kind of track, so that you don't waste a lot of time, because there's a lot of information out there. So my basic let's say method is to figure out what it is that you don't know, and then put a program together based around those things that you find difficult, and leave out things that you obviously find very easy and you're quite comfortable with. So do keep in touch and drop me a line, any questions below. I'm happy to answer them, and see you guys soon. Take care. Yes, this is my home studio. Yes, there we go. Yes, I've got one corner of my home dedicated to music, and there you go. Do what you love and enjoy. Bye.